Hello and welcome back to my channel. I've started using DaVinci Resolve to make my videos. I typically do it for droning and so forth, and some of the things I do when I go out and about. I come across a problem, I've literally been using it 2 days, is a mic. I cannot add a mic into DaVinci Resolve to be able to add audio at the top of the videos. And it was really easy when I used my mobile phone, dead simple, but I found it very difficult. But I found a solution, so grab the cup of coffee and let's get into it.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is press the bottom right corner, sound settings, and in there you can see output, headphone, and then input. That's my microphone, the USB one that I've plugged in. So make sure that's selected on them both. If you unplug it and then plug it back in, you'll see that it's updated. So press on that and make sure it's highlighted as input. Then we'll get rid of that. Okay, so we're going to go to DaVinci Resolve in the corner, preferences, and then in there you're going to be able to set your microphone. So go to video and audio I/O, and then imports. You want the microphone that you've just plugged in using the Windows settings. Press save, and then now you've done that, you need to go to fairy light, which is at the bottom, the little music symbol, fairy light. Press on there, and now you will see your audio tracks. So then what we need to do, we need to adjust that. So we'll go to A2, which is track 2, and then we'll go to the input, and then on there you should see your microphone. Click on it, and when you've clicked on it, you patch it to that channel. As soon as it's patched to that channel, you get rid of that, and then you should see it now in the bottom, at the top of A2, and then select where you want to be. Make sure it's got record on the left there, so make sure that's highlighted as record, and then just away you go, hit record, and then it should play straight away. Play the footage and then also record from the microphone. So I hope that little hack has worked for you like it did me. It was nice and simple. I was quite surprised how easy it was. I am using Windows 11. I've never used that before, so that is an interesting venture, because I'm not a great fan of Windows, but yeah, it works and it does what it needs to do. So I hope it works for you as well. I'll see you on the next one. I've only used DaVinci Resolve a couple of times now, so this video will come out at the same time as I did a drone video as well. So go and have a look at that, see what you think. Hit me up in the comments. Any feedback, very much appreciated. I am very new to this, so this part of the video editing. So I'll see you on the next one and see what else I can find out.